I'm Jack the Greek, and Merry Christmas to all my viewers. Today, I want to demonstrate on the Crossray barbecue, on our big one over here, our gas barbecue, how easy it is to cook a fabulous turkey. And we've got to thank our friends Betty and Dimitri at Preston Free Range Poultry and Game for giving us this beautiful wrapped turkey, traditional Jack the Greek style, one of a kind recipe. Yes, I rang Betty the other day and I said, I want a beautiful, fresh free range turkey wrap like this, but I want it Greek style. I want you to put some spanaki, spinach, some feta, some onions, and give it to me and make it as beautiful as you can, just like that. And look what we have, a beautiful turkey wrapped with feta, spinach, and onion, and all traditional Greek spices as well. Salt, pepper. So to all my viewers who are local in Melbourne and can go down and see Betty at Preston Free Range Poultry and Game, make sure you do, however, ring her a couple of days in advance to get your own unique, beautiful turkey roll, boneless turkey roll prepared for Christmas. I'm going to show you how we're going to cook it on the Crossray barbecue. What we're going to do is cook it very simple. We're going to cook it as it is on the Crossray barbecue, on the top grill, and we're going to cook it for around about an hour and a half. It is around 2 kilos, and it will need around an hour and a half to cook. And then we're going to simply plate it up and slice it as you would on any beautiful Christmas day with your family. So, let's go. What do? We unpack it, we bring it out. You make sure that you take it out of the fridge for around 15-20 minutes, and then you grab it just like this. Grab it with your hand. Make sure your Crossray barbecue has been on for about 4 or 5 minutes. It's up to around 350 degrees with all 4 burners on low. I'm simply going to place it up here, just like that, for a couple of minutes, while it just browns on the bottom and seals. And then I'm going to turn it every couple of minutes for the next 5 or 10 minutes and just seal it all the way around, just like that. There we go. See it sealing? We'll be back in a couple of minutes when it's all sealed up to turn the lid down. It's been about 2 or 3 minutes now since we've had our beautiful turkey roll on the Crossray barbecue. We've got all 4 burners on low, and it's quite hot still. And you'll see for a couple of minutes, it's already started to brown and seal. So what I'm going to do is before I turn it around the other side, I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil, and that's Jack the Greek adding his little touch. And we're going to put a little olive oil like this, just like that. And that's going to smell and go into the turkey and create that beautiful olive oil flavour. So there we have it. We've got it there. So we're going to grab it gently again, put it back on the Crossray barbecue, and now just turn it to the side, just like that. And we'll keep turning it until it browns all the way, and then put it back on its base and close the lid for around an hour and 15 minutes. Okay, so as you can see, most of the sides are now sealed and browned, including the top. So there we are. We're going to turn it around now, and we're going to leave it there for an hour and 15 minutes, as I said earlier. Just to recap, we've got a beautiful free-range turkey from Preston Free Range Poultry and Game. Thank you, Betty, again. We're cooking it on the Crossray barbecue with all 4 burners on low. I've sealed it with 2 or 3 minutes on either side, just to seal all the flavours. And now I'm going to close the lid with all 4 burners on low and let it cook for an hour and 15. I will come back in around 40 minutes to see how it's going. And welcome back here with Jack the Greek for our Christmas special with our beautiful free-range turkey roll from Preston Free Range Poultry and Game. It's been in the Crossray barbecue with all 4 burners on low for around just over an hour and 10 minutes now. I've taken it out a little bit earlier than what I wanted, but I think it's ready to go. I'm just having a bit of a look to see. We're outdoors, we have our flies and they're starting to join us. But you can see it's nearly ready. So what we're going to do now is let it rest for around 5 minutes. But while it's resting, I'm just going to take off the netting that was there. Quite easily, just take it off and just cut it off like this. Beautiful. And we're going to let it rest for 5 minutes and then cut it up and plate it up. So this is another fantastic meal you can cook on the Crossray barbecue in around about an hour and a half with your preparation time. But of course, if you haven't got a Crossray barbecue, make sure you go and get one. And before you come home, go past Preston Free Range Poultry and Game. There's plenty of time before Christmas, and order your turkey roll. And here we have Jack the Greek special with feta, spinach and onion. So we'll keep going. We'll let it rest for about 5 minutes and we will then plate it up. Opa. Okay, it's been resting now nearly for 5 minutes, so I'm just going to quickly take off the rest of the netting, and I'm just going to roll it round, just gently, just like this to take it off. Beautiful. There we go. Excellent. There it is. It's all taken off now. Oh, it's very hot still. It's been cooking on the Crossroad barbecue for just over an hour, and there we have it. Beautiful. We'll put that away. Let's give it a... Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Excellent. Okay, one more there. So, let's have a look and see. We don't want to overcook our turkey because it is a little bit dry because it doesn't have a lot of fat. It's very lean. So you want to make sure you don't overcook it. And here we go. All live video by Jack the Greek. No editing. What do we think? Obas. Fantastic. A 2 kilo turkey. All cooked on the Crossroad barbecue. Jack the Greek style. With spinach, feta and onion. And of course with this one, we're just going to slice it just like this. Opas, look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. There we go. We'll grab that beautiful piece and just place it there. Opas. And of course, there's many varieties that you can buy from Betty at Preston Free Range Poultry again at Preston Market. Cranberry. And we might make another video on the cranberry one in the next few days. But today we did the Jack the Greek special. And of course, you can ring Betty, and hopefully I don't get in trouble, and order your own stuffing as well. And hopefully she'll be able to accommodate that for you. But give her a few days to prepare it and make sure you order in advance. So there we are. So we'll leave the rest there. There we have it. Our beautiful free range turkey, all cooked on the Crossroad barbecue. It's a fantastic idea for Christmas, all in around an hour and a half. Thank you to all my viewers, and I wish you all a happy Merry Christmas from Jack the Greek. Obas.